The Nike Air Rift Culture Day 2025 celebrates Japan's annual festival of art and creativity with a unique mix of heritage and modern flair. This women's exclusive release stands out through its tabi-toe design, fuzzy summit white upper, and metallic silver accents that create a clean yet experimental look. A star-shaped hardware piece secures the multi-strap system, paying tribute to a well-known Culture Day symbol. Inside, Nike elevates the pair with special collage-printed footbeds that match its exclusive Culture Day shoebox, adding extra storytelling for collectors. Compared to the pastel LD1000 from the same lineup, this Air Rift offers a sharper, more refined aesthetic while still honoring Japanese cultural themes. Dropping across Asia by late October on Nike.com and select retailers, the Nike Air Rift Culture Day 2025 is set to attract sneaker fans who love culture-inspired releases. This seasonal design blends craftsmanship, history, and standout style in one memorable launch.